What's going on, Frankie Gang? It's your boy Frankie. I'm having a Frankie day. I'm doing it Frankie's way, and I hope y'all doing it the same. So now I know y'all probably like, dang, he look extra good today. Yes, sir. Your boy got the fresh retwist with the lineup. So anyways, y'all don't care nothing about that. Hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe and just spam that subscribe button. Share with your mama, your sister, your cousin, your auntie, whoever you got to share with, man. We trying to get to 1K, so go ahead and make that happen for your boy. Say hi, Slaw. Hello. We're gonna be changing out the low pressure fuel pump and the whole assembly. Everything brand new, in hopes that like the issue is coming from the low pressure fuel pump, because we've done throttle bodies, we've done fuel pressure sensor, we've changed out the injectors, we've done so much stuff on this car, and this issue's still here. Hopefully this does fix the issue with the car. If it doesn't, I don't think I've said it on camera, but this will probably be my last season with the Q, because what's the point of having a full bolt-on E85 car that you can't enjoy? But hopefully we don't have to sell it and part out. So Sloth has already got the new AMS pump installed in the new pump assembly. This is the OEM pump that came with it. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't even know I bought a new OEM pump. But yeah, so 3,000 likes and you can have a free OEM pump.
Wow. Yeah.
Bro, that's like $20 worth of E85. What are you doing?
Gotta do what you gotta do, bro.
All right, gang. This is the old one. It's the new one. Yeah, I guess this part number ends in K1A. This one ends in AK1. So, this one was made for like early production Q60s. I believe it said July 16th through September 16th, and then late production was anything after September 16th, which is the new pump. So I had the incorrect part number. I don't really know what the differences are, but whatever. So I did order some Brown seats. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all would have known that. Follow Instagram, Frankie Sway. Anyways, I bought some seats. I'm not gonna reveal the color or what they look like, but I'm gonna show my dog Dan here exactly what they look like, and I'm gonna show Sloth. I'm gonna just get their reaction on camera. They're gonna be honest. So if they trash, they're gonna say it's trash.
Oh, this is fucking badass. Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
Alright. What do I swipe? Oh. That's hard.
Hell yeah. Alright, so we're replacing the O-ring just because it's never been replaced. I want that extra protection, that extra filtration or sealing. Fuck you. Yeah. All right, guys. Wish me luck. I'm gonna prime it. Do it again.
Go ahead.
Start it?
Yeah.
Alright, guess it's time to drive it. Bro. Oh my. Bro, it works. It works. Bro. Bro. It works, bro. This thing is so fast, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Alright, gang, so I guess it actually isn't fixed. It just did it again. Yeah, I guess it's not fixed. It just did it again, so I don't know, man. I honestly don't know at this point. I don't really know what the plan is now. It sucks. Bro, this is crazy. I just paid $41.99 for 8 gallons of E85, bro. Like, what? 505? Bro, where have I been? Jeez. that's clean. Bro, I need to get headlights. Alright gang, so we out here at the Midwest Q Strictly VQs co-op dual together meet type. But none of that matters. We got Qs out here. We got red, white, and blue. That's pretty dope.
And if it mixes with your oil, boom.
No, you don't. Well, while I was away, Taylor got a new whip, bro. Tell him about the new 370. This is the new Nissan 400Z, ain't it?
That's got a fucking GTR engine. What you talking
about? Bro, what's your quarter? What's a quarter mile in this?
Like 10 seconds. Stop.
Damn, that's crazy, bro. It's tuned by EMS too, right?
Nah, race box.
Woo! So now, y'all probably like, Frankie, where have you been, bro? Like, you haven't uploaded in like 3 weeks. Man, this thing called life, it gets tough sometimes, but it don't matter. We bounce back harder. You know, we fall down, we always get back up. I was about to start dropping weekly again. I just needed a little break. So I appreciate y'all for still rocking with me, you know what I'm saying? But none of that matters because we still on the road to 1K. Man, we only need 150 or so more subs to hit that 1K mark, so that'll be huge for the channel. I can't forget all 838 of y'all that are already here, so I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all definitely been rocking with the boys since, you know, since the car was stock. It's not though. You know what? I think I owe y'all a full Q60 mod list. I'm gonna have to get that to y'all. Anyways, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, yes sir, we got yet again another mod for the Q60. I'm heading over to a special guest house. Y'all have seen him before. He's done the intro on my channel. He actually installed the R1 concept brakes, which were garbage, by the way. Not the install, just the quality of the brakes. But anyways, he also installed the brakes for me. But yes sir, none other than the boy Nostalgic. Now, it was actually a coincidence that I have this shirt on. I packed it, and I thought it was just a regular black tee. It ended up being my Nostalgic shirt, so it's actually fitting for this. So I'm about to hop in the queue right now, and then we gonna head on over there. We might end up washing the car too. I was about to wash it, but then he texted me and said I can come over a little bit earlier. But while I was away, man, y'all haven't seen this. While I was away, tell me if you noticed anything different about the front of the car. Yep, if you guessed that my front lip is missing, yep, unfortunately, gang. So being low life, I actually pulled into a Sonic drive-in. I don't know if y'all know what that is, but I pulled into a Sonic drive-in. They had a low curb that I couldn't see, and I ran right into it. So the lip ain't that bad. I could have left it on the car, but nah, I wanted a clean build. But yeah, man, I was super salty, man. I cracked the front of my lip. It's not that bad, but it is for sale. We're here at Nostalgic's house. So say hello, buddy. Hello. So we just finished washing my car, so that's kind of why I'm a little bit sweaty. But we're about to start taking the bolts out for the passenger side seats. We're gonna take these two out just because you do have to disconnect the battery or else the airbag light will come on. So we're gonna take these two out, move the seat forward, take the back two out, and then before we actually remove the seat, we're gonna disconnect the battery up front. So here's the sliders, here's the brackets, which I have to figure out how to put these two together. Shout out Planet Brackets. And then most importantly, here's the seats. Sheesh. Got the passenger's Planet bracket. So for those of you who may be wanting to get Braum aftermarket seats, or really any aftermarket seats for your Q60, Q50, they do run the same bracket for the Q50. So as you can see, this says Infiniti Q50. This is obviously for the passenger side, but it does fit in the Q60 as well. Braum or Planted, if you guys are watching this, man, I could use a sponsorship. I think Nostalgic could use some seats for the vet. What do you think?
I'll take some Braum.
All right, guys, man, make sure y'all tag Braum. Look at this. We sweating to get the install done, man. All right, guys, quick update. So if you broke like me, you only bought the seats and the sliders, and you didn't buy the harness just yet. So I am taking the OEM seatbelt clip off the side of the seat, and it does have an attachment for on the Braum seat. At least we think it does.
I think. We'll see once I take that.
Right there. So we're gonna find out right now, but I did have to take this off. It's just held on my zip ties underneath the seat. It came down through here, and then you just pull it out. So pretty straightforward. Got the sliders on. It wasn't hard. It was actually easy for what it is, but it is a little annoying, just so you guys can know what to do. So we had to use a mallet to actually get this, which is the handle to adjust the seats. And in order to get it to fit in here, it was kind of a bitch, but don't be afraid to just whack it with a mallet. Wasn't too bad.
So just for that, this piece here, if you want to show them,
yep.
This
there's two, they're both identical, so they're not different.
Yeah.
But this goes up, so this goes up towards the seat, towards the passenger. It's not the other way around.
Yeah.
If it was the other way around, it wouldn't clear the bracket. So just if you're going to go put this in, make sure that this bracket handle is
angled towards the seat.
Right.
Yeah. See, look at that. It's almost like you should do YouTube.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I wanted to show you guys this too as well. So these are the 2.2 ohm resistors. So you plug it, let's see if you can see those two holes right there. This is the airbag connector. So what this is gonna do is just keep the airbag light off in your car. I mean, I guess you could drive around with it on, but I'm a guy who likes to have a clear dash. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these two in there, and if you don't see this video or the rest of this video, that means my car exploded. But we got everything hooked up. Now we're headed to O'Reilly's to find a bolt to attach the OEM seatbelt to. So we're taking this gorgeous American Muscle legendary vehicle. We went with a 7/16 washer, bolt, and a nut. So anybody that's trying to run the OEM seat belts with the Brom seats, like if you broke like I am and you didn't buy the harnesses, 7/16 will do it. It'll get the seatbelt connector bolted up to the planted bracket. So 7/16 is what you guys need. So there you go. So we're back from O'Reilly's. We got these nice fancy nuts to hold the seatbelt in place. The only thing left to do is put it in the car. All right, guys. So we got both seats in. We got the battery reconnected and everything, so I'm gonna show you guys how it's looking now, and man, it looks crazy. Jeez. Yo, with the purple, that PB&J looks crazy. Huge shout out to my dog Nostalgic, man. I appreciate you, bro. This was definitely fun, bro. This looks crazy. I do want to tell you guys, so the 2.2 ohm resistors I got mine off eBay. As you can see, that's my airbag light. They did not work, so I'll just be rolling around with the airbag light on. Oh well, it's worth it because these seats look incredible. Sheesh. Sheesh. Right back into it, gang. What's going on? So this is the next day. Y'all already know what to do, man. Go ahead and hit that like button. Comment if you're feeling up to it, and man, what we doing? Road to 1K, man. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the boy. Road to 1K. But we out here at what I believe is a Cars and Coffee. Honestly, like Taylor posted on his snap that it was like something going on, so I just got out of bed and came up here. So without further ado, I'm gonna show y'all what kind of cars I am. Eesh. Okay, carbon fiber lip. This joint is nice. I'm not a fan of liveries, that's usually, but this one's pretty clean. Like, it's definitely tastefully done. I like the interior. I feel like they did what they supposed to with the interior, like kept it like simple and black, because the paint is so busy, but that's clean. And y'all know my favorite, my dream Corvette. We got a ZR1 over here. This thing is just so nasty, bro. Not a huge fan of the chrome wheels, but if you gave me a ZR1 and said I had to have chrome wheels, I would do it. Sheesh. Is it a manual? It's a manual, yes sir. Supercharger. This is nice. Hellcat. Man, bro, how much y'all think he's paying in gas right now? And this Vat's very nice too. The white on the black, it's clean. It's a grain sport. Red interior. Very nice. Very nice. These are the fast boys over here. The only reason I say that because he got the Arby's on the back. The meats definitely gets down. This purple is crazy too. Bro, I always say like one day I'm gonna own a Hellcat. Bro, look at the hood. That's dope. That's dope. I'm gonna own a Hellcat one day. This is nice. Sheesh. It's clean.
Then he'll be like, "What's up, buddy? How's everything?"
Oh, that's dope. I want to get something done like that. Yeah, what y'all think, gang? Should I get like a mural or something painted on the inside? That's dope. That's dope. I definitely should do something like that. Okay. This is a different kind of interior. The red on the black looks good. I like that. It's dope. He's got the Arby's too. He's got the Arby's on there. Okay.
I got a guy.
Okay. Jeez, that never gets old, bro. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter. Hey, y'all like my floor mats? They're dirty right now, but yeah.